Welcome to News on Face Top 9 News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with ISRO has announced that India's new space plan. The big projects include Chandrayaan-4, which will further explore the moon and building India's own space station by the year 2035. This plan shows India growing strength in space technology. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has strongly criticized the US tariff on India's Russian oil purchases, calling them unjustified and unreasonable. Speaking at the World Leaders Forum, he said the issue is being wrongly presented as an oil matter, while stressing that India will protect its farmers and small producers. Jaishankar added that despite tensions, India-US trade talks continue and lines are not cut. The Dharmasthala mass burial case, the complainant C.N. Chinnaya has been arrested for perjury after inconsistencies were found in his statements and documents. The SIT produced him in court, which granted 10 days custody for further investigation. This comes after mounting pressure in probe team as no human remains were found at the most of the places he had alleged. Heavy rainfall and thunderstorms lashed several parts of Delhi on Saturday evening, affecting areas across north, central, south and southeast Delhi. The IMD has issued a red alert warning of very heavy rainfall in Delhi NCR, parts of Haryana, East Rajasthan and North Gujarat, with more showers expected in the coming days. A 25-year-old woman, Nikki, has been died after being set on fire by her husband and in-laws in Greater Noida over dowry demands. Police have arrested her husband, Vipin, and filed cases against 4 family members. Nikki's sister, also married in the same family, alleged year of harassment despite dowry already given. The incident has sparked outrage after viral video showed the victim's child claiming Papa burnt Mummy. India has temporarily suspended postal services to the United States, following Donald Trump's move to impose 50% of tariff on Indian goods. The Department of Post announced that all postal articles to the US stand suspended, except letters, documents and gifts valued up to $100. The suspension comes amid rising trade tensions between the two countries. Pakistan's Foreign Minister and Deputy Prime Minister Mohammad Ishaq Dar arrived in Dhaka on Saturday. He was welcomed by senior Bangladeshi officials at Shahzad Shahjalar International Airport. During his visit, Mr. Dar is scheduled to meet Interim Chief Advisor Muhammad Yunus, Foreign Affairs Advisor Tawhid Hussain and Commerce Advisor S.K. Bashiruddin, along with leaders of political parties. In Florida road crash case, US immigration officials have ordered the deportation of Harjinder Singh, the truck driver accused in the accident. Harjinder Singh, who entered America illegally in 2018 via the donkey route, is expected to serve a prison term before being sent back to India. Reports say he was unable to return home even during his father's funeral in 2020. On the set of Netflix hit series Emily in Paris, assistant director Borella has died at the age of 47. According to the Italian media, Borella collapsed while filming season 5 in Venice on Friday evening. A respected figure in cinema and visual arts, Borella has been working on the Venice schedule for weeks. The news has left the cast and crew, including lead actresses Lily Collins, in deep shock.